Hi everyone, it's PJD here, and I have to start today's post with a little bit of an explanation. I said yesterday that I would kind of lay off talking about Lush so much, but it's not really the store that I'm talking about. It's the fact that they have these vegan products. That's kind of what I like. You know, these companies are not paying me, so I'm not brand specific. It's just that they have vegan products that I like to talk about. But I was going to lay off, but I got a reader's request. So I'm going to talk to you about the new Lush product, which is called Dark Angels. And you already heard me talk about, angels on bare skin. And you can see these little bits of lavender that will gently exfoliate your skin. It's for all skin types. The difference, and this is more like clay. Dark Angels is more like dirt. I don't know if you can kind of see that in there. It's kind of like dirt. I had them cut down a smaller piece for me. I know it looks, oops, drop some. I'll use that for the test. I know it kind of looks like a dark, a thick solid on the website, but when they cut it down, it kind of breaks up pretty easily. So I have little, what looks like soil in here, right? So Dark Angels. This is for people with oily skin, hands down. This will, it's like it knows just how much to remove from your skin. It'll get rid of any excess oil. It doesn't make my face look like a dried peach when I'm done using it, but it removes just enough oil to make my skin glow, but also not feel oily anymore. I have combination skin, not oily skin. So for the oily parts, it's perfection. For the dry areas, or the areas that's already dry on my face before I use this little cleanser, it may be a bit too much if I were to use it daily. So I alternate between cleansers and it works out just fine. But if I were to use this on a daily basis, I have a feeling that the dry areas would start to look a bit ashy. So I don't want to do this, because this also, I should tell you, this also exfoliates your skin. This consists of Rasul mud from Morocco, black sugar, avocado oil, rosewood oil, also has sandalwood oil. So, and it's a vegan product, natural, all natural. So I love that about it. They try to sell you like a $10.95 piece, but I asked them to cut this down. This is like $7.89 that I have in here. Let me flip it around so you can see it. All right, so almost, and I used some already. So kind of will fill up half of this little tub, halfway point. Okay. So this, once you put some water, okay, see how it turns into this black, not so, I put too much water, but not so much a paste. Oops. Okay. It's almost like ink, but what you can't see or maybe feel, I should say, is that it really does exfoliate. It's that black sugar in it. Right? So it will definitely exfoliate your skin much more than if you were using Angels on bare skin. So when I use this on my face, the Dark Angels, I don't need to use a facial scrub. That's all from Dark Angels. I don't need a facial scrub because the black sugar in this will handle it completely. And apparently Rasul mud has antibacterial properties in it, so it'll keep your skin really cleansed, oil-free, bacteria-free too, apparently. So I like this. I would buy it again. I just know that I can't use it on a daily basis. So Angels on bare skin is good for your daily use. And then Dark Angels, and seriously, just even Dark Angels would be good, at least for people with combination skin. I would suggest, or at least for me, to use it every other day. And I have to tell you, my skin, just even rubbing it around my hand, feels really nice. Okay. Last thing I want to, sorry for the finger. Last thing I want to show you for today is, I got this free on one of my visits. I have yet to use it. It's a Godiva Lush shampoo bar. And what you see in there, this is supposed to be for dry hair. I've never used it. It has shea butter in it. That's what you're looking at. These little darker pieces. Now, she told me that this little bar, can you see how small it is in my hand? This bar is supposed to give me 80 to 90 washes. I don't know about that. Now, because I'm heavy-handed, if I can even get 40 out of this, I would say this is a winner. But it's supposed to make your hair feel really moisturized. When I looked at reviews on the website, people were saying how great this Godiva bar is for the hair and how they're never going back. Some people said they didn't need conditioner. And I saw some of the hair types as being very coily, very curly. Now, curly versus my kinky. I don't know if they're referring to the same thing. You know, I'd love to have a more of a description from the people who have used this already, but you know, I'll give it a shot. Probably not today, but I'll see how this works and I'll do a review later. But if you've used this, let me know. So that's the review for today. Angels on bare skin for daily use, and Dark Angels, at least for me, every other day, but it definitely removes excess oil and it exfoliates your skin. So you get a 2-in-1 product. Really like it. All right, have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.